Already got the 5-pack needle tip 30cc glue bottles. This is how they arrived in a padded mailer. Let's open them up and see what they look like. Let's check these guys out. That's it. That's how they arrived. Very lightweight plastic needle bottles. And looks like you just unscrew the lid. Then you go find the lid after it bounces all over the counter. And it's got a little tiny needle like that. So I'm guessing this just is going to go on top of here. Screw on top of there. Screw on top of there. And we have a needle bottle. And once you push this thing down here, onto here, this needle guy, it looks like it stays on there pretty good. So that was important to me. Yeah, if I twist this on there, it's gonna stay on there pretty good. Yeah, you've got markers here, 10, 20, and 30 cc's for this. It is a pretty lightweight plastic, but they've given us 5 of them. And looks like in this bottle over here, we have some caps for the needles. Let's check those out. Let's see what else we got in here. Yep, we have the caps. And inside the plastic bottle, we also have these little rubber guys that are going to be your tip covers. That slides on there, and actually that works a lot better than what I was trying to do. All right, 20 minutes later, kind of got a thicker liquid in there. No leaking at all, so just wanted to point that out. Let it sit on there. It's been 20 minutes, nothing leaked out. Yeah, anyway, check them out. 30cc needle tip glue bottles. Check them out.